Hi friends, in this video I am going to gift you two gifts. First gift, I am going to teach you science of PYQ analysis, with the help of which you can predict a lot of questions in the prelims examination. Further, at the end of this video I am going to gift you a question which may come in the prelims examination 2025. Guys, in my experience of cracking the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, scoring very high marks, I can tell you command over PYQs is the most important ingredient in any successful story as far as UPSC prelims is concerned. PYQs, you can understand the mindset of people who are framing questions. You can optimize your effort because you will be able to focus on things which are important and leave out things which are not important. So today I'm going to show you through a PYQ analysis how we can predict a question in the coming in the prelims examination. So guys, if you see, there is a type of question which is a bit factual, and whenever it comes, most of the candidates they commit mistake. Okay, you can see here this was a prelims 2023 question which is based on infrastructural projects. Infrastructural project, this is a theme in the PYQs which generally is ignored by UPSC aspirant, and it is very factual. You can see here in 2023 they have asked east west corridor, then trilateral highway, then Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor. Very factual question. Very high chance that you will get it wrong. Very high chance, because it is impossible to prepare these type of questions if you do not know that these are important. Okay, these are in news, but if you do not know that these can come, generally you will avoid such kind of information and you will miss this question. Again, you can see in 2014 they have asked one question where they have given national highways and then they have given the cities in which they connect. Okay, so guys, what do we learn from these two PYQs? So guys, we can learn that UPSC has a habit of asking questions on infrastructure. So what we will do, we will see what kind of infrastructure is in news for the last 1 year, which is the most important infrastructure which you are hearing every other day. Okay, so guys, according to me guys, there is one body which is responsible for building critical infrastructure in India, which is the Border Road Organization. I was going through this website and I came across a very important thing which every candidate should prepare is BRO Marvels. BRO Marvels, Border Road Organization Marvels. Guys, they have given you few infrastructural projects like Atal Tunnel, Atal Setu, Sela Tunnel, Unmingla, Siseri River Bridge, Colonel Shewang Ritu Bridge, Uj Bridge, Basantar Bridge, Nepchu Tunnel, Brahmaputra Tunnel. So guys, I think they may give you questions on tunnels. They can give you questions on tunnels because they are in news. In the last 2 3 years, lot of important tunnels government of India has either inaugurated or government of India is building. Okay, particularly guys, the Atal Tunnel, the Jojila Tunnel, the Sela Tunnel. So these are in news. Okay, so I think you should prepare tunnels definitely. You can get a question like this. You can get a question like this where they will give you pair wise question. They'll give you tunnel name and they will give you the description and the state from which they belong to. This can be a very important question which can come in the UPSC prelims examination. So guys, do you like this in analysis? Do you like this analysis? That do you think that this question can come in the prelims examination? If yes, please do hit a like button and comment on this video so that I get to know that you are learning. You are learning how to do the PYQ analysis. The only motive of making these videos is to empower you, to help you understand the themes which are popular and the mindset. Guys, I have been telling you, mindset is what you require. Once you develop the mindset, then guys you can easily crack the prelims examination. Guys, I'm analyzing the last 30 years paper and then I'm picking important themes and I'm linking to the current affairs and I'm predicting question in my test series. Guys, you can connect with me via this telegram number. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.